For over 50 years, knowledgeable American yachtsmen who wanted the very best have always chosen a Hargrave. Founded in 1957 by legendary Hall of Fame yacht designer Jack Hargrave, Hargrave custom yachts continue to this day to set the standard in the U.S. market for quality, performance, and design innovation. Why own just a copy when you can own a signature masterpiece? Hargrave. Don't settle for anything less. Choose Hargrave for your next adventure, providing a better boating experience.